Welcome back everyone, and now we are going to learn about the example for interface. Here what I have done is I have taken an interface known as results. So here I have taken one results interface where I have defined one variable, that is pi, as a final static float, and after that I have taken one method, that is area of. Fine. So here I have taken one area of method and one variable as final static, as the properties we have seen in the previous video for the interface. The second thing what I have done is I have taken one class which is a rectangle class which is implementing result. So here I have taken an interface which is being implemented in a class. So we have defined in the previous tutorial, that a class can implement an interface very easily. So here my class is implementing the result interface, and in this I have taken this area method which I have defined here, and here I have given its formula. So float L and float B, there are two variables and I am returning the length multiplied by breadth. So here I am calculating the area and I just returning the value for this. After that I have taken one square class. What I have done is I have taken a rectangle class, I have taken a square class, I have taken one circle class, and I am calculating its area using the interface, that is which I have defined as a result interface. So now the second class is square class, which is implementing of course the same interface which we have defined earlier, that is result, and here I have taken the formula as the both values length and length for the square, because we have a simple side for a square. So s multiplied by s gives you the area of a square. And the third class which I have taken is of class circle, and now it is implementing a result interface. And now here I have calculated the area of circle, which is your return pi into r, that is pi r square. So this is your a simple formula for your circle area. And after this, defining this, I have taken a class as interface demo. This is a simple class which I am using, interface demo, which is going to create a main function. And there I will have three objects for the three classes which are implementing the result interface, that is rectangle, square and circle. And then we will calculate the area for all three classes which we have seen. Now here I am taking public static void main. This is the simple definition for a main function. I have taken one object for rectangle, that is rect, one object for square class and one object for the circle class, and I have initialized them. And now system.out.println, I am going to calculate the area of rectangle, that is the object rect dot area of, and what are the two values of length and breadth I have passed here. So when I call this will simply go here in this function. Here I'll have the length and breadth as this, and it will return length multiplied by breadth. So it simply multiply the two values and send that here in the area of rectangle. For the square, I have taken two values as 10 and 10, and it will return the square of area of square. And for the circle, I have just simply taken the value of 1, that is r, and I have used this r as pi r square function. So this is a simple mere program where I have used interface and I have implemented the interface using a circle, using a class. And now I am going to run this in my command prompt. I'll run it as an administrator. So we have taken the command prompt, and now I'm going to execute this program. So for the execution, you have to type javac interface demo.java, because the program name is interface demo. Fine. So this is the program name. You have to type this name here as interface demo, and now I'm going to press enter for this. So once I'll press enter, the class file is generated, and you can see the class file here in the interface. The class file is generated just above the interface demo. This is the class file, and you can see how the class file is working. And now I'll just execute it. Write Java interface demo and press enter, and you will get the values. So in the program we have calculated the area of rectangle, area of square, and area of circle. So in this way you can have this program. So we have implemented interface using the classes. Classes implemented the interfaces, but interface cannot implement the interface. They can only extend the interface. Thank you so much for watching this video.